it's a weeknight, you've got to eat, but you don't have a lot of time and even less desire to mess with a lot of ingredients. So what do? You make these incredible shredded beef buns. We got the pressure cooker out today, the Instapot. I tell you all the time, my friends will say, should I get an Instapot? And I go, yes, because what would normally take you 8 hours, you can condense to 1. And that's exactly what we're doing today. We're making these beautiful shredded beef buns. Okay, let's just get there. But the point is, if you don't want to mess around with a whole lot of ingredients, this is, stand by, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ingredients and an hour of your time. I think you can do this. Can they do this, boys?
They can.
You can do it.
If Max and Chance say you can do this, suck it up, walk into the kitchen. Well, okay, buy a pressure cooker first, and then suck it up, walk into the kitchen, and follow what we're doing right now. You're looking at about 3+ pounds of chuck. Let's start by giving it a quick season. Kosher salt, pepper, a little garlic powder in here. Our BFF that is going to come back in stock, I promise. Now, normally you would see me sear this in the Instant Pot before I set it to cook. But you know what? I'm lazy AF today, and I'm thinking about you guys. Maybe you don't want to do that. So, we're not going to. It's still going to be great. Throw it in the pot. Just like this. No fuss, no muss. Just fling the shit in.
No fuss, no muss.
Just fling the stuff in.
It's usually the other way around, isn't it?
No muss, no fuss?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I think it is.
Now, you always need liquid with an Instapot pressure cooker. We're going to put in a cup of beef broth. That's ingredient number 2. We're going to add about an equal amount of dark beer. In this case, I'm using beautiful Guinness. Use what you want, but I like dark for this. That's 3 ingredients. Our 4th ingredient is a pack of Lipton beefy onion soup mix, dry. Our 6th ingredient, 8 peeled cloves of garlic, and that's it. The lid goes on, we seal it, so you hit pressure cook, 50 minutes. When it comes to pressure, it locks, and away it goes. Oh, by the way, the little vent thing on the top is on pressure, not venting. You don't want to let the steam out. The steam is what's gonna cook this in, about an hour. And then at the end of an hour, you're gonna see me again. We're gonna make it into something really good. The 50 minutes has elapsed, the steam has released naturally, and it's time to do this. And look at what we've got. Oh, my favorite part of this. So let's take out some. Do you see this? Let me do that again. Could do it with a spoon, I could do it with my baby finger. It's magnificent. And let me show you how I like to build this sandwich, because this is what I think you want to do. I've got a beautiful little bun here. Perfect. You make a tiny sauce. That's barbecue sauce, and that's mustard. Make it anything you want, but I think making sweet barbecue sauce tangy is a great move. We take our bun, we put some of this on. Now we take some of this glorious beef, and this you want to pile. Don't be a cheap Okay, 2 more things. I do believe a beef sandwich like this deserves a little cheese. So this is provolone, but do what you want. And now we want to melt it. And I'll use my torch because I'm not going to go inside to the broiler. One more thing, pardon the crunching, but I'm all about some chips on top. One more, then your little top, and you go, and you call it a day. And this you pulled off in about an hour and a quarter, ladies and gentlemen. Who wouldn't want this at night? With little time and little effort. So Max just took some pictures of this, and while he was, I had a couple bites just by itself. and 5 ingredients, I think. Oh my God. Now we get to try the full Monty. Look at this beautifulness. By the way, do you boys know the movie, the Full Monty? Chance?
No.
Too young. Look it! If I came home from a hard...
Fucking home?
If I came home from a hard day of the salt mines and someone made me this, I'd be the happiest man in the world. Hey, you should make it. Recipes below. And if you subscribe to this channel, you're supporting us and you could win one of those knives over my shoulder because we're giving one of those away every video this year. I got nothing more to do but eat. So, see ya. And put the chips in.